How to log in to your TD Canada Trust account. Now, in order to log into your TD Canada Trust account, you just simply need to open your browser and search for TD Canada or TD Canada Trust. Then after that, this first link of td.com will appear. Now under here, you will get to see the option of My Accounts. Select that, and after opening that, you will get to see the option of Login directly. Tap to log in from the top right corner. Now after tapping in there, you can select any of the option to log in, such as Easy Web, Web Broker, US Banking, and My Accounts. You can simply choose whichever account is yours. I am selecting Easy Web, and after selecting your option from that page, you will be in this page right here, where you need to enter your username or access card ID at the very top, and after that enter your password in the second box or second row. And after entering that, you just simply need to tap to this login button, and you will successfully be logged in to your TD Canada Trust account. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.